Whether you're a hobby or a professional gardener, if you want plenty of fruits and healthy growth, appropriate staking and tying is obligatory. Therefore, NORTENE supplies a wide range of stakes and ties. Quality bamboo stakes in 6 guaranteed sizes are available for organic gardeners. Our steel PLAST stakes also come in 6 sizes and are made with a rough plastic coating for extra durability and a good grip. Our tomato spiral product was designed especially for tomatoes. These galvanized metal stakes allow for a perfect support without the need of any tying material due to their special spiral design. Our tomato epoxy spiral stakes have the same structure with a more natural look due to their durable epoxy resin coating. Appropriate tying is just as important as support. Our veggering system allows the quick and easy tying of plants from 16 to 25 mm in diameter. The Tomato Clips plant clamp allows for an easy, stable yet pressureless tie for your tomatoes. For more fragile or rigid plants, our BIFLEX tying material is the perfect choice. Due to its thick foam coating, it doesn't damage the plant stem, yet its wire core still makes it very flexible and easy to use.